here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Alright guys, here we go. Small little guy. Let's see what's inside. Oh baby, here we go. Alright, this is going to be a bamboo laundry basket. Gotta love bamboo. Definitely good quality material. Ooh, that's nice. I just got a normal laundry basket, but this will be a nice little upgrade. So if you got like a small condo, apartment, college dorm, look at this, you can fold it. And then, poof. Whoa. Got to connect the side somehow. Let me figure this out. Alright, see the little Velcros on top? You just gotta latch it over like that. There's a little stick right there that holds it up. Pretty cool. Alright, be right back. Bada boom. Look at that. Looking good. It's pretty steady too. Pretty deep inside. Could fit a lot of a lot of clothes. All the way to the top. So, all you gotta do is click that link down below. Get this down here at the bottom. Really nice. Here you go, YouTubers. This will be a quick video. With the bamboos right there. All the way around. I probably gotta push these up a little bit more. But right now, I gotta do a TikTok video for it, so it's gonna be unfolded in a second. It's easy to unfold. Snap. Great for apartments. Like I said, college dorm. This is perfect. Easy to travel. Bada boom. Pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.